Huge box. Just arrived in the mail. It says on the box, JBL Quantum. What could possibly be inside? Wow. Wow. Okay, first I gotta get rid of this light. This is not included at all in the box. So, what else do we have here? We have some stickers, I guess. These are JBL Quantum stickers, more JBL Quantum stickers, and this card here. You have acquired a mysterious cube. Congratulations, player, for proving yourself as a true blue gamer. Indeed I am. Here is your loot. So this is the tag, the stickers, and now the main star of the show. The JBL Quantum 400 gaming headphones. It's got JBL Quantum surround sound processing, 50mm drivers, voice focus beam microphone with flip up mute. So if you want to mute the microphone, simply flip the boom mic up. A game audio chat balance dial, which apparently only works for Discord, but these headphones, they are supported on a wide variety of platforms: PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch. So if you're on any one of those platforms, you're pretty much covered, except for surround sound, because I believe that requires a PC program for it to work. So PlayStation, for players like me, don't get to enjoy that. It's only in stereo. This one only supports a wired connection, so you can do either USB or a 3.5mm audio input cable. However, there is a more premium version called the Quantum 800. Now, that model also supports Bluetooth 5 as well as a 2.4 GHz wireless transmission using a USB wireless receiver, but it costs double that of the 400s. The 400s retail for $100, the 800s retail for $200. And at that price point, the 800s have also got active noise cancellation and a built-in rechargeable battery, able to be used in a wider variety of situations. Maybe someday I'll take a look at that one, but for now, let's check out the 400s. Okay, empty box. Whoa, 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 I dropped something. What is this? What's in this box? Okay, you've got a USB Type A to USB-C cable, but a pretty long one at that. Some literature and 3.5mm audio cable. And these are the headphones. It feels pretty lightweight, looks very sturdy. Let's see how the headband stretches. Okay, alright. Let's extend this and stretch. Yep, it flexes pretty well. Let's see how it articulates. It's not bad. It appears to be quite durable. The clamping pressure as well isn't so, tight and stiff. It's got some flex to the headband. Boom mic, lift to mute, active, mute, active. You've also got a mute button, TeamSpeak control, as well as game volume control. I want to see how comfortable it is. It seems pretty okay. It's a little tight, but it is a pretty decent, light yet firm clamp. Alright, right now I want to test this, and the best way to do this is to play a game, right? Now, not many people know this, but actually, I'm something of a gaming god. And in my opinion, the best way to test these headphones is to play PUBG, because in PUBG, you need great situational awareness, and this can only be had with great audio quality from your headphones. And whenever you're playing in a team, you're also gonna need great voice microphone quality for voice chat. So I'm gonna hook the USB cable up to my PS4, and let's check out how godlike I really am at gaming. Okay, I connected my headphones to the PS4. Right now, my voice is coming through the Quantum 400's microphone. Hope it's good. Let's see how godlike my gaming skills really are. I'm up against 95 other people, so the objective of this game is to be the last one standing. I usually am the last one standing because I'm godlike. Alright, here we go. I see 4 other people. Oh, oh, abort, abort! Okay, I need to drop somewhere further away. Has to be like here. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's a good thing I'm within the safe zone. Ooh, AK. I'm so taking that. Yeah, you did. Okay, let's go. Quick draw, fine. Ooh, heals. I need heals. The heck? There's clearly somebody there. I mean, 3 of them dropped in that area, so 79 people left alive. 79 people. Gosh, Evan, your pronunciation is so spot on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No. Godlike gaming skills, godlike! Ha! There were 3 of them there. I mean, all of them were there. Okay, here we go again, guys. Here we go again. Let's pick a spot. Ooh, one of my favorite maps. This is where I'm dropping. I have a very good feeling about this because, you know, godlike gaming skills. Okay, let's go. Come on, come on, come away. Ooh, mutant. One of the best guns in the game. Oh, motorbike. Do I hear gunfire? Yeah, gunfire. Let's go. Okay, at least in here I have a fighting chance. Got somebody. Oh, he's upstairs. Where is he? Ah, okay, I see him. Oh man! Okay, I think I have a very good feeling about how these headphones perform. Let's head out. As a gamer, I think these headphones performed pretty well. $100, and you get something lightweight, comfortable to wear, plush cushions, easy to reach and adjust volume controls. It feels pretty sturdy too, and most important of all, its voice microphone quality is actually pretty decent. It's got very good ambient noise rejection. You couldn't really hear my AC, could you? And my voice sounded very natural through the microphone. It's okay, to be frank, it is not the best mic I've heard through a pair of gaming headsets, but for $100, this actually is pretty good already. And it sounds pretty good too. I mean, despite the fact that it wasn't running on surround sound processing because I was playing on a PS4, so I don't have access to the JBL Quantum sound app, but it still gave me pretty good directionality. Like, I could tell where the enemy was firing from and if there were footsteps far away or near me or behind me. So these headphones really served its purpose very well in terms of voice microphone quality and sound quality. One thing I gotta say though about the sound quality is, I've tried other gaming headphones, the more expensive ones from Steel Series and the Razer, and they all had like powerful booming bass. If you're a bass head and you need that extra, boom, then those headphones might serve your purpose better. But these headphones have a pretty balanced overall sound signature, such that I didn't feel like the bass was too boomy or overwhelming. And they were pretty comfortable to wear too. Though it may not seem like I was wearing them for very long, because what you saw was basically snippets from my gameplay, I was actually wearing them for about an hour and a half. And not once did I feel like these headphones were clamping too tight or they were too heavy. I'm pretty confident that I could wear them for another 2 hours, 3 hours easily. So the JBL Quantum 400 is definitely worth a look if you're in the market for something affordable, comfortable to wear, a rather neutral sound signature without a bass response that's too loud, too boomy. So yeah, the JBL Quantum 400, $100. That was my very first gaming headset review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more gaming headset reviews on this channel, tell me in the comments section below. Because I'm also very interested in looking at headsets from Razer, Steel Series, Astro, these big time gaming brands. So yeah, tell me in the comment section below if you want to watch more gaming headset or gaming related reviews on this channel. So thanks for watching. You know what to do. If you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance, Bruce Lee style, and share this video with your friends and family and sons and daughters if you have children who love to game. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and please ring the notifications bell to join my notification squad, because I upload new videos every single week, and this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. This is Aaron, and I'll see you again, bros and sisters, in the next video. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.